Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so the sync works reliably. Make sure your phone runs a supported OS and both the fitness app and the health app are installed and signed into the same account. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location services. These let devices exchange live activity and GPS data. Make sure your wearable is paired to the phone and has at least 20% battery. Now open the fitness app and look for the Connect, Health, or Permissions menu to begin linking. You now focus on permissions and data mapping because incorrect settings cause gaps. In the Health app, tap Permissions and allow read and write for steps, heart rate, workouts, and sleep if needed. Next, in the Fitness app, select Connect or Health Sync and explicitly map categories. Confirm steps go to steps, workouts to workouts, heart rate to heart rate. Then set the Fitness app as the primary source for those categories if offered, and enable background app refresh so new data syncs automatically. You finish by verifying the connection and resolving common issues. Force a manual sync in the Fitness app and check timestamps and totals in the Health app to confirm data flow. Make sure new workouts appear within a few minutes. If numbers don't match, toggle the read/write permissions off and on, then restart both apps and try syncing again. If that fails, clear the Fitness app cache or reinstall it, which often fixes stubborn mapping errors. Then repeat the permission steps to re-establish a clean link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.